Hello, everyone, back with an IRS tax refund update. As we continue to monitor the latest developments this tax season, we do now have the latest release date for the next batch of tax refunds scheduled to go out this week, so we'll take a look at that. Meanwhile, we'll recap on those extended refund delays many continue to experience, including some of those notices taxpayers are receiving, such as the CP05 notice, as well as those who filed paper returns who could see a wait time of 6 months, while those amended returns could be waiting up to a year for their refunds. The leading story of the week is that the next round of tax refunds is scheduled to be released to banks nationwide by the IRS on Wednesday, May 4th. Now, while most of those part of this batch will receive that direct deposit the day of, some may not see it appear for an additional 1 to 2 business days. If you're part of this batch and do not receive that deposit by Monday, May 9th, then you may need to initiate a payment trace to check the status and whereabouts of that refund. Now, we continue to see instances in which refund status results on the IRS website are not updating, reflecting that refund release date, so do make sure to check those tax transcripts online at www.irs.gov and locating the 846 code as seen here to confirm if you're part of this latest refund batch. Meanwhile, taxpayers continue to report delays in the processing of their tax returns and issuing of refunds. Impacted taxpayers in many cases report encountering the normal tax processing code, which is tax topic 152 as seen here, or tax topic 151, which indicates there is an issue with the return or no tax topic message at all. Furthermore, taxpayers who have filed paper returns can expect extended periods of time with no updates on their refund status trackers until the processing of the returns has begun. We continue to receive reports from taxpayers who are receiving the CP05 notice in the mail as seen here, which continues to be one of the most received notices this tax season. It should be noted this letter does not indicate an audit and oftentimes is sent when a return is being reviewed for accuracy in regards to tax credits claimed, income reported, income tax withholding, or business expenses in the case of those self-employed taxpayers. Now, based off what we've seen in most cases, the IRS will be able to address the issues for those who receive that CP05 letter. However, in select cases, there will be some who can expect to receive the CP05A letter as seen here, which requests the taxpayer to submit additional information before that refund can be released, which is usually centered around income discrepancies or tax credits. Meanwhile, for those who have submitted paper returns, they continue to reach out to report no movement on either the tax refund status results page or their tax transcripts. Now, the National Taxpayer Advocate has informed Congress that those who file paper tax returns may have to wait up to 6 months for that refund. It should be noted the IRS is still working on over 2 million paper returns that were filed last year, in addition to those paper returns filed this year, with an overall amount of over 6.2 million paper returns. The biggest reason for those delays is that the IRS still does not use scanning technology when processing those paper returns, something that was recommended to the IRS 18 years ago. So that means an IRS employee must manually enter each tax return into the system. Last year, IRS employees made errors on an estimated 22% of those paper returns, whereas scanning technology would have a success rate of nearly 100%, as we see from states that use the technology for their tax returns as far back as 2002. For those waiting on amended returns, reports indicated the processing of those are taking anywhere between 6 months to 1 year. There's still over 2.3 million unprocessed amended returns, and one of our viewers finally reported after 11 months of waiting that their 2020 amended returns was processed as seen here. Do note that amended return delays are linked to the overall paper return processing delays. Let us know in the comments section below what problem you're currently experiencing and if you received your refund as of yet. If you have not, do let us know when you filed that tax return. In the meantime, we will keep monitoring the situation for further developments, so make sure to click on that subscribe button below for future updates on this channel, and thanks for watching.